Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP/USD pound dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a 4-hour chart of GBP/USD, and right now we can see that market is trading at 1.1855. If you have watched my previous video on GBP/USD, then hopefully you made a good profit, because we were of the opinion that there was a high chance of market reversing from this particular level because of two resistances. First of all, we had resistance in the form of the trend line, and the another dynamic resistance was the 50 moving average. So overall, things were pretty convincing for us that GBP/USD had high chance of going down from that particular point. So right now, as you can see, that GBP/USD is trading below the critical support here. Okay, so let's try to understand what should be our next strategy then. But before I proceed, I would like to take you to the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. Yes, it is back again for this month. I'll be conducting the workshop this Friday and Saturday, coming Friday and Saturday. The time is mentioned here. Each and every detail is on the website. The link is in the description. If you really want to take up trading as a serious profession or a serious source of income, then you can consider signing up for the workshop, because the workshop fees is less than your SL. Okay. Now let's talk about GBP/USD. The most important thing that I have observed about GBP/USD is that, okay, if you compare the chart with Euro/USD, then you will see that the fall is much higher, okay, in Euro/USD. And if we try to analyze the body language of GBP/USD, then we will see that GBP/USD is still somewhere trading near the support only. Okay, and if we look at the chart of DXY, then obviously DXY is unstoppable. DXY is right now trading at 108.45. Okay, and if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it very well that right now DXY does not have any immediate resistance. The next resistance is around 109.50, but as the resistance is very old, 20 years old resistance, so we do not have any clear picture whether the sellers are still present or not. So things are not very clear regarding DXY. We just know that US dollar is extremely bullish, so it is better to follow the trend of the market only. Keep in mind, after all, market has only one rule, as I always say, and that is trend is your friend. And if we look at the monthly chart of GBP/USD on a higher time frame, we can see that GBP/USD is still somehow trying its best to maintain the previous support levels from the year 2016, 2020, and so on. Okay, so I think that GBP/USD still is trying its best to go higher. So my dear friend, if you are planning to take a sell position again, then I think that you can consider sell position, but use a small lot only. Okay, use a small lot only. I usually do not use these kind of words because right now I'm not convinced enough for a sell position in this pair. See, we previously discussed selling opportunity on Euro/USD, it did well. We discussed selling opportunity on GBP/USD, it did well. But right now, okay, the selling position here is not convincing enough, because see, previously I told you one thing very clearly, that we will get a selling position here below this level if we get good amount of volume, if the selling pressure is high enough. But right now we do not see the high selling pressure. Right now we can see a battle between the buyers and the sellers. If you try to understand the body language of the market here, if you try to understand the emotion of the market here, so I think that sell on rise should be our trading strategy here. So what we can do is that, okay, if market okay, if I'm wrong, then obviously market will start falling, and in that case you can take a sell position. Because see, again, I'll be uploading a video tomorrow. It may be late also. So if you see after a few hours that selling pressure has come again, because yes, it may come also, because right now when I'm uploading the video, recording the video, we are in the Asian session. So during the European session and US session, you may see volume in the market, you may see heavy selling in the market. In that case, you can go for selling position. Okay, but in case the selling position does not come, okay, and if you see some recovery in the market, then sell on rise. Okay, sell on rise should be your trading strategy. How to take the position or trade? Okay, wait for the market to recover. Once you see that market is unable to cross 1.1900, 1.1930, this level, if you find market struggling around this level, if you find market showing price rejection from above around this level, you will get the confirmation that the dynamic resistance that is giving us opportunity for quite some time is still very much valid, and you can take a sell position here. Okay, otherwise, if you do not find selling volume here, okay, you can avoid taking any sell position, because after all, false breakout is also a bitter reality of the market. You must save yourself from false breakouts as well. Right now, if you already have taken a sell position here, be on the trade, no need to exit, because as I said, right now it is Asian session. During European session, US session, you may see some volatility, you may see some volume and heavy selling. Okay, wait for some time, but right now I still think that, okay, the way it should have gone down, okay, we didn't see. So I think that I'll wait for some time. Okay, let's wait and watch. Hopefully I've understood. Please follow proper risk management, and as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Protect your hard-earned money. Capital protection should be the first priority of any trader. Bye bye, take care. See you tomorrow.